beautiful day in LPU, and I have done engineering and I have taken admission here for MBA. And this is what LPU looks like in a season of March. LPU के क्या कहने, मतलब देखिए, so beautiful. And I have been studying here. It's been 1 year. These are the students of media management. Probably, I don't know, I'm not sure. I'll show you some part of LPU. It's such a huge university, I will not be able to show the whole university ever in a video. No one has been able to do the same thing ever. Many people have tried, but they could not do it. It's a very well managed, well organized place. If you want to learn how to manage things at large scale, at a huge level, without any discrepancies, LPU is the place. Such a beautiful day. This is vlog 14, School of Business. The university is empty today because it's a Sunday, and if it were a regular day, you would be seeing thousands of people passing around. And when I'm saying thousand, I really mean it. It's not a big thing here. Ah, sunshine. Okay, so as I mentioned, it's March. So you can see a lot of roses here. Okay, what comes next is the Uni Center, that is the mall of LPU. Yes, there's a mall in Dudley Professional University, and it is one of the biggest thing. I cannot believe that it exists here. It's a mall, and this is a huge stage where Coke Studio has come. Now what comes next? This is block 13. This is DSA, Division of Student Affairs. Means if you want to enjoy your co-curricular activities, if you want to go ahead and you that part of life, this is the building that will help you. Dance, singing, guitar, whatever it is, whatever kind of indoor game that is there, table tennis, everything, whatever you can imagine, it is available in LPU. And there is a particular building which is associated for the same purpose. Okay, this is the closer view of Uni Center, the mall. Now I'm actually heading towards the hospital which is available inside LPU campus. There is a hospital available in LPU and which provides services, means consultancy free of cost. So you will not be paying any visiting cost when you go to the doctor if you have any problem. You will be paying only for the medicines. Unicenter. I've never imagined that I will be seeing a advertisement and flexes here in a university. it's a semi-residential university, so there are 7 boys hostels and 6 girls hostels inside the university only. This is Shri Baldev Raj Mittal Hospital, established in the memories of Mr. Baldev Raj Mittal. Yes, again saying it's a beautiful day. Okay, so I have showed you some part of LPU. It's time to go now. Maybe I will show you some other parts of LPU in next videos.